Genuine question to the kakampings and most especially to Madam Chair. Why is she so silent about the recent exposés about corruption? Bilyon-bilyon, trilyon-trilyon yung ninanakaw sa pera ng taong bayan. Pero bakit parang hindi niya advocacy ito ngayon? I don't know. Is she part of it? Allegedly, there are some news circulating that she has some millions of insertions din, di ba? O baka naman she has other battles, di ba? She's fighting her own battles. Pero kasi for someone who is really genuinely fighting for good governance, for transparency, and maybe for higher position in the future, corruption is something of the greatest concern to your advocacy din, di ba? Pero bakit parang nakakabing katahimikan si Madam Chair? Bilyon-bilyong ninanakaw. Expose, ang dami pang evidence. Tahimik. Nasaan ka, Madam Chair? Maybe it just doesn't concern about the Dutertes, di ba? Yun lang naman yung ano mo. Well,